2023 Dodge Challenger. This coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.